what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please do not forget to click the subscribe button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. So welcome back guys to my channel. In today's video I am going to do another hair review. It's not this hair, the hair that I have on. I did a review on it on my last video. If you guys want to go check out that video, so I did a review of this hair. So yeah, it's going to be about the curly afro wig from ASI BEAUTY. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like, and it's from Amazon, by the way. And it's gonna come in a net, of course. Okay, where's the front? Yeah, I love her. It's a girl. It's a TikToker. She always say okay. Yeah, I love her. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like. It's gonna have two combs in the front, and that's pretty much it. It doesn't have combs on the sides or in the back, but it has two combs in the front. So okay, let us see. Yeah, I'm looking like an auntie right now. Okay, so this is what it looks like fresh out of the package. Oh yeah, so I'm guessing it's like a bang afro wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and shape it up because fresh out of the pack, I don't like how it looks like fresh out of the pack. I mean, it's not that bad, but I feel like I can cut some of the bangs and stuff to make it more defined, I guess, like the shape of my face. But so far it's not that bad. Let us see.
With her out, but I can't ignore the ache. Lying deep underground, you must have lost your way. Look around, all we can do now is pray. Make it count. I've lived through what I have it, seen pain you can't imagine. These days you take for granted. We fought out so you could have them. This truth you hold for ransom, buried beneath the static. Don't do the hardest dance. Light is cold and love is tragic. We wait up for the dawn, through the night, though our better days are gone. Made our peace, said goodbye, 'cause the further we carry on, through the fight, the stronger that we become. I've lived through what I haven't, seen pain you can't imagine.
Okay, so I really don't know what else I can do with this wig. That's why it's gonna be like a short review, because it's really just a grab on and go. And I actually thought I wasn't gonna like it, but I'm actually liking it now. It's like okay, it's actually not bad. Ayo. Okay, so this was pretty much it of the video. I really didn't have to do anything with this hair. I just like trim it a little because they were a little uneven for me. So I cut it a little and I brushed some of it out so it could look fuller instead of like flat. So that's pretty much all I did with this hair. I trimmed the bangs also in the front. It's actually pretty nice. I actually like it actually, and I really feel like it will last me for a while. So today is the first day, and today is what? Today is Friday. So I'm gonna come back 2 weeks after, I guess, and show you guys how the hair is coping up. But I really feel like this kind of hair is going to last. It was like $22 also, so we're going to see how it's going to last. But yeah, so this was pretty much it of the video. It really wasn't a long video because you really don't have to do anything with this kind of hair. This was pretty much it of the video. So if you guys like the video, do not forget to click that like button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button and the subscribe button down below also. So see you guys next time on my next video. So yeah, peace out.